Hello, technical analysis fans, and welcome to another episode of Victor's Kitchen. Today, I want to talk to you about one of my favorite stocks in the world that is once again going absolutely crazy after yet another amazing earnings report. It's Nvidia. Let's get cooking.
Before we continue, please pause the video and read this trade disclaimer. None of the information contained here is financial advice. This is only for educational purposes.
All right, let's have a look at this magnificent beast called Nvidia Corporation. Here we have some stats on TradingView on the right side. We can see the earnings reports, and they've since the first quarter of 2023, always above target, and it looks like it beat estimates once again and blasted already post-market yesterday higher, and today is going to open gap up. So we can already see the little pre-market price line up here, much higher than the close from yesterday. And here we are now. These are all monthly candles, by the way. So for technical analysis, it's not only nice to look at the very high time frame, but also cool to look at what's going on right now. Yeah. And this month, well, it's been going up, and it's going to open even higher and make a new all-time high by the looks of it. Last month was already another push up. December was, well, actually November and December were also green. We had a bit of a retracement or pullback September, October, but nothing major as we can see. So let's have a look at more local time frames, the weekly candles. That's already pretty good. Let's put this back into normal mode. And we can see them pretty much since the beginning of the year. It's just been, that was the local range that it was playing around with for since May 2023 until January now. Yeah, July, September, October, November, December, but always making higher highs, and then finally in January now just taking off again. And let's see how much higher this is gonna open up. It closed yesterday. Let's go to the daily candles to see it even better. So it closed here, and it's gonna open about 13% higher. Oh my goodness. Can you imagine the people that shorted this stock and their stop losses are above the highs? I would say they're all going to get stopped out. Whoops. That's one of the things that we can already use as a take-home message. It's very, very difficult to short stocks that are in price discovery mode or making new all-time highs, because they basically have no limit. They can just keep going higher and higher and higher. And there is no weakness to be seen on the chart either. Yes, it did pull back. It was quite a pullback actually for this week specifically. Actually started 16th of February on Friday already a bit. So it did pull back 10%, which is not bad at all. But yeah, here you have the result. It just blasts on again, and it's going to open gap up. You can also check some of the news that have been popping up the past few minutes. Pushes, Nvidia pushes exchange traded funds, equity futures higher pre-bell Thursday, so everything's going higher. Nvidia stock surge could add 200 billion in market cap with mammoth growth on tap. Watch Nvidia's valuation. Morgan Stanley raises price target on Nvidia from 795 to 750. Wait, to 79 from 750. Yeah, okay. 14% higher. We just measured that about that. They raise, so all these analysts are raising the price targets from where it is now to another, in this case, $200 higher. This guy or these people also, they feel 910, 911, price target 1,100. I mean, and this has already had a split. Yeah, so these prices were already lower, or mathematically the same, but lower in price. And now we're heading back. It seems to be heading back to the 1K again. From a technical analysis perspective, yes, it looks bullish. The trend is bullish. It's going up. And this could have been a nice possible local top here at least. But for that, this weekly candle should have closed red and low. And then perhaps we could have started talking about a possible retracement or a bit of more of a move down and give at least some of this move back. But yeah, that just completely disappeared, this possibility, even by what's going on right now, and by another blast off much higher. So disclaimer as well, I do own some of this stock, so I am not impartial to it. Of course, I'm very happy that it keeps just going higher and higher. And from a technical analysis perspective, I don't see any weakness on the chart. That's just the way I'm interpreting it. You can, of course, draw your own conclusions. And yeah, there is not much technical analysis to do if there's no previous price history at these levels. Yeah, that is perhaps one of the limitations. You need previous price history to mark your levels and to find your ranges and stuff like that. Of course, you can do it on local time frames. So in a few hours now, or actually less than an hour. No, an hour and 50 minutes, sorry. When New York opens, it'll be possible to check out again on a daily time frame if there's a possible trade. I'm sure some traders might be thinking, well, if it opens up here, maybe, it's a huge gap. Maybe it's going to trickle back down and close the gap. That's a possibility, of course. But, I'm going to take it a bit more cautiously and just let it play out, because another possibility is that it gaps up and continues higher without even looking back. Yeah, it has momentum once again. It's had momentum for a while, since the beginning of the year. So, let it do whatever it wants to do. So I hope you enjoyed this little inside look at what Nvidia is doing. Very exciting stock. And of course, the overall stock market is also looking very exciting, and we're going to cover that as well in detail. We do have a Discord server for the where the Safehouse Vanguard, so the premium membership, can get regular updates, up to date, right, live on time about what's going on, not just with stocks like this, but Forex, gold, crypto. We cover pretty much, a whole array of assets that are very, very exciting to trade and to track. And we also do have a whole bunch of live streams every morning. We do a bit of an overview for the day. The Monday one is public, so you can check that one out if you're interested in that. And we also have live trading sessions as well to cover the New York session, which is one of the most exciting, I think. Alrighty, thanks for tuning in. I'll catch you on the next one. If you like what you see, please hit the like and subscribe button. That helps us out a lot. See you on the next video. Bye-bye.
Elevate your mastery in trading. Join the Safehouse Vanguard today.